back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today's show, I'm going to make a stovetop stuffing. I have the stovetop stuffing mix. I have a beef or chicken broth substitute in place of the water, half a stick of butter, and I have some celery that I've washed and I'm drying to put on top. I start out by getting the pan hot and putting in my liquid, just like that. I need to bring that to a boil. And then I'll dump in my ingredients, take it off the burner, stir it, put the lid on, set it aside to keep it warm. I have a honey baked ham in the oven. Not much to show you about that. Water's boiling, starting to sound good. Pitch that box, put this away, and this, make some room here. Celery. Let's go ahead and cut this up. Here we go. Just knock these ends off here. I'm not going to use a lot, but this is just going to be topping. I'm just going to put this on top. Almost done. There we go. Nice and careful. Almost tagged myself with a knife the other day. You know, you're supposed to be holding your fingers back like this at a claw, and then you can touch the top of your knuckle with the back of the knife. So if you hit your knuckle like this, you know where the knife is. I let my fingers get too straight the other day, and I actually felt the knife touch me, which was okay, because it was minor, but it could have been worse. Water's boiling. I'm turning off the heat. I'm taking the pan off. This is a marble countertop. I can set this right on here, no big deal. Here we go. One bag, butter. Put that butter in. I better get that butter melting first, right? I stopped to answer the door, don't mind me. There we go. Let's melt this butter. Let's turn the burner back on again for a minute. Just to melt this butter. I equate that to when I was young and I was driving the fire engine or the ambulance and I would sneeze, I would hit the brakes. Okay, that looks good. Now, get this bag open. This is the easiest stuff in the world to make. Stir. I don't use a whisk because it's heavy. Sometimes I use the pasta ladle because I have a heavy wire pasta ladle, which stuff like that is almost impossible to find. I found it at a resale shop. Somebody probably got a brand new plastic one and got rid of the old steel one, and I was lucky enough to end up with it. It'll probably outlast me and my kids, and they'll hand it down. There we go, folks. One side dish down. Next side dish we got to do is mixed vegetables. Have to open these up by hand. I ordered that new fancy can opener off TV, but I haven't gotten it yet. I was going to keep one for myself, and the other one I was going to save to give away in a contest or lottery after I get 1,000 subscribers. So right now in the lower right hand corner is a subscribe button. If you'll hit that subscribe button, as soon as I hit 1,000, I'm just going to do a contest, and whoever's name I pull out, that's who I'm going to send that new fancy can opener to. So here's a little trick for you. You got 2 cans. You only want the water of 1. So drain one into the other. And I save my cans. I use them for in the morning for eggs, to put eggshells in. So there we go. All we can do is let that sit. That's the show for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.